Let's take a look at setting up a text file source, which allows you to pull in text data from practically anywhere. First, I'll create a new location. Next, I'll create a new data source and choose a type of delimited text. There are many different ways for eagle.io to access your text data. eagle.io can link to your Dropbox account. You can upload files to eagle.io, download files from an FTP server or website, or simply email the files to us. I've got some data files in my Dropbox account that I'll use for this example. Let's check our Dropbox every 10 minutes for changes and begin by retrieving the last month of data. Here you can see the contents of my Dropbox account. I'll choose a file with current water sensor data. Here you can see the contents of the file displayed as columns. This step allows us to define additional configurations such as header rows, date formats, and column types. Our sensor labels are stored in row 2. We'll use these to name our parameters. You can add additional files to your data source, but in this case, we're ready to move on. This final step shows each of the columns from our file and allows you to customize names and units for each of the parameters that will be created. You can see here that eagle.io is now downloading and processing the data. I'll switch to the parameters view to show you the latest data. And that's it. eagle.io will now check with Dropbox every 10 minutes and we can move on to more interesting things.